Have you ever wondered why some homes instantly feel peaceful, welcoming, and full of positive energy? According to Feng Shui, one secret may be the plants you choose to keep inside your home. For thousands of years, Feng Shui has taught that certain plants symbolize prosperity, harmony, good health, and financial success. While no plant can magically create wealth, healthy greenery can brighten your space. Improve air quality, reduce stress, and remind us to care for our surroundings. The right plant, placed in the right location, can also become a meaningful symbol of growth and abundance. In today's video, we're counting down the 10 best Feng Shui plants that are believed to attract good fortune and positive energy into your home. You'll also learn where to place each plant, basic care tips, and why each one has earned its reputation in Feng Shui traditions. Make sure to stay until the end, because our number one plant is one of the most popular symbols of prosperity around the world. Let's begin. 1. Money tree, Pachira aquatica. The money tree is one of the most recognized Feng Shui plants associated with prosperity, financial growth, and abundance. Its braided trunk symbolizes strength and unity, while its 5 leaflets are often said to represent the 5 Feng Shui elements: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water, working together in harmony. Whether or not you follow Feng Shui closely, the money tree is an attractive indoor plant that adds lush greenery to almost any room. For the best Feng Shui placement, many people position it in the southeast corner of the home or office, traditionally linked with wealth and prosperity. It also works beautifully near an entrance to create a welcoming atmosphere. Give your money tree bright, indirect sunlight and water only when the top inch of soil feels dry. Avoid overwatering because soggy soil can damage the roots. Rotate the pot every few weeks so it grows evenly. A healthy, thriving money tree symbolizes continuous personal growth and serves as a daily reminder to nurture your goals and opportunities. 2. Lucky bamboo. Lucky bamboo has become one of the world's most popular Feng Shui plants because it symbolizes happiness, resilience, and good fortune. Interestingly, it isn't actually bamboo, but a type of dracena. Its upright green stalks represent steady growth and flexibility, reminding us to adapt gracefully to life's challenges. In Feng Shui, the number of stalks can carry symbolic meaning. 2 stalks are often associated with love, 3 with happiness, and 5 with health. Whether or not you follow these traditions, lucky bamboo is easy to grow and adds a calming touch to any room. It grows well in clean water or well-drained soil and prefers bright, indirect light. Change the water every week if growing it hydroponically, and keep the container clean to prevent algae buildup. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight because it may scorch the leaves. Placing lucky bamboo near your home's entrance or on a work desk creates a fresh, uplifting atmosphere while reminding you to stay flexible, positive, and focused on growth. 3. Jade plant. The jade plant has long been called the money plant in many cultures because its thick, rounded leaves resemble small green coins. These fleshy leaves symbolize wealth, stability, and lasting success. As a succulent, The jade plant also represents resilience because it stores water and survives periods of drought. Many Feng Shui practitioners recommend placing a jade plant near the front entrance, in the southeast corner of the home, or close to a business entrance as a symbol of welcoming prosperity. It enjoys several hours of bright light each day and prefers soil that dries between waterings. Since jade plants dislike constantly wet roots, always use a pot with good drainage. Regular pruning encourages a fuller, tree-like shape that enhances its decorative appeal. Besides its symbolic meaning, the jade plant is incredibly easy to maintain, making it an excellent choice for beginners. Watching it slowly grow over the years serves as a beautiful reminder that lasting success often comes from patience and consistent care. 4. Snake plant. The snake plant is admired in Feng Shui for its strong, upright leaves that symbolize protection, resilience, and upward growth. While its pointed leaves sometimes spark debate among Feng Shui enthusiasts, it is generally considered beneficial when placed thoughtfully. Many people believe it helps create a sense of strength and acts as a symbolic barrier against negative energy. This incredibly hardy plant thrives in low to bright indirect light and tolerates occasional neglect, making it ideal for busy households. Water only when the soil has completely dried, because overwatering is its biggest enemy. Snake plants are also known for helping improve indoor air quality, adding another practical benefit. In Feng Shui, placing one near the home's entrance or in a workspace can symbolize protection while encouraging steady progress. Its bold architectural appearance complements both modern and traditional interiors. Healthy, upright leaves represent determination and perseverance, reminding us to remain strong even during life's challenges. 5. Peace lily. The peace lily represents peace, harmony, compassion, and emotional balance. Its elegant white flowers contrast beautifully with glossy green leaves, creating a calm and refreshing atmosphere indoors. Many homeowners appreciate it not only for its symbolic meaning, but also for its graceful appearance. Peace lilies grow best in bright, indirect light and enjoy slightly moist soil without becoming waterlogged. Their leaves naturally droop when thirsty, making watering easier to judge. In Feng Shui, they're often placed in living rooms, bedrooms, or meditation spaces where relaxation and emotional well-being are desired. The white blooms symbolize purity and fresh beginnings, making them meaningful gifts for housewarmings or new chapters in life. Regularly wiping dust from the leaves helps the plant remain healthy and vibrant. Caring for a peace lily encourages mindfulness while creating an environment that feels balanced, welcoming, and full of gentle, positive energy. 6. Golden pothos. Golden pothos is celebrated for its trailing vines and heart-shaped leaves, symbolizing continuous growth, abundance, and flowing positive energy. Because it grows vigorously, many people associate it with expanding opportunities and steady progress. This adaptable houseplant thrives in various lighting conditions. Although bright, indirect light encourages the most vibrant foliage. Allow the soil to dry slightly before watering and trim long vines to maintain a fuller appearance. In Feng Shui, golden pothos is often placed on shelves or elevated surfaces where its cascading vines can soften sharp corners and encourage smoother energy flow throughout the room. It is also one of the easiest plants to propagate, making it enjoyable to share with friends and family. Its vigorous growth reminds us that small efforts, repeated consistently, can produce remarkable results over time. 7. Rubber plant. The rubber plant symbolizes wealth, abundance, and steady personal development. Its broad, glossy leaves represent prosperity and vitality, while adding a bold, elegant look to indoor spaces. As the plant matures, it becomes an impressive statement piece. Rubber plants prefer bright, indirect light and moderate watering once the top layer of soil dries. They dislike standing water, so proper drainage is essential. In Feng Shui, they're often placed in wealth corners, living rooms, or offices to represent expanding opportunities and stable growth. Wiping the leaves regularly keeps them shiny and healthy while improving photosynthesis. Their upright structure creates a feeling of confidence and stability within a room. Beyond symbolism, the rubber plant's striking appearance makes it one of the most rewarding indoor plants to grow for both beginners and experienced plant lovers alike. 8. Orchid. Orchids symbolize beauty, abundance, love, elegance, and refined success. Their stunning flowers often bloom for months, making them one of the most rewarding flowering houseplants. In Feng Shui, orchids are associated with harmonious relationships and personal growth. Most orchids enjoy bright, filtered light, good airflow, and careful watering. Rather than following a strict schedule, water when the potting medium begins to dry. Avoid leaving roots in standing water. Placing orchids in bedrooms or living rooms can create a peaceful and luxurious atmosphere. Their graceful flowers remind us that patience often leads to beautiful rewards because orchids bloom after consistent care. Available in countless colors and varieties, they complement nearly every decorating style while bringing elegance and positive symbolism into the home. 9. Chinese evergreen. Chinese evergreen is valued in Feng Shui for symbolizing good fortune, longevity, and stability. Its attractive patterned leaves brighten shaded indoor spaces while requiring very little maintenance. Because it tolerates lower light conditions, it's perfect for homes where sunlight is limited. This plant prefers moderate watering after the topsoil dries slightly and appreciates warm indoor temperatures. Avoid exposing it to cold drafts. In Feng Shui, Chinese evergreen is often placed in family rooms or offices to encourage peaceful relationships and consistent progress. Its dependable nature reflects resilience and adaptability, making it an excellent reminder that success doesn't always require dramatic change. Steady growth can be equally powerful. Healthy foliage adds life and freshness to any room, while enhancing the overall feeling of comfort. 10. Citrus tree, dwarf lemon or orange. Our final Feng Shui favorite is the dwarf citrus tree. Lemon and orange trees have long symbolized wealth, abundance, happiness, and fruitful success. Their bright fruits represent prosperity, while fragrant blossoms create an uplifting atmosphere throughout the home. Dwarf citrus trees require several hours of direct sunlight each day, making them ideal for sunny windows or balconies. Water deeply when the topsoil begins to dry, and feed regularly during the growing season. In Feng Shui, fruit-bearing plants symbolize the rewards of patience and hard work. Watching flowers develop into colorful fruit reminds us that consistent effort eventually produces meaningful results. Besides their symbolic value, citrus trees offer beautiful fragrance, glossy evergreen leaves, and sometimes even fresh fruit you can enjoy. Few indoor plants combine beauty, practicality, and positive symbolism as successfully as a healthy citrus tree. Those are our 10 best Feng Shui plants that can help create a home filled with beauty, balance, and positive symbolism. Whether you're drawn to the resilient snake plant, the graceful orchid, the lucky bamboo, or the famous money tree, remember that the healthiest plant is the one you care for consistently. In Feng Shui, a thriving plant represents growth, vitality, and mindful living, while a neglected plant loses much of its symbolic value. Choose plants that suit your home's lighting conditions and your lifestyle, so they can flourish for years to come. Which of these Feng Shui plants is your favorite? Do you already have one in your home, or are you planning to add one soon? Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more plant care tips, indoor gardening ideas, and natural living inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.